Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a menu in WordPress from scratch. We are going to go through the full process step by step, creating the menu, adding your pages and activating it. But please pay close attention as we go. I'm going to show you exactly why your menu might stay invisible even after you hit save and how to fix that in seconds. I highly recommend watching this through to the end because most WordPress menu problems come from 2 or 3 tiny settings you might miss. So let's dive in. Let's go to WordPress. On the left side menu, find Appearance Menus. Here, if you don't see the menus option and you only see editor, that's normal. You aren't doing anything wrong. It just means you are using a modern blog theme. In that case, menus are managed inside Appearance Editor and not inside Appearance Menus. But for most of you who use classic themes, this is where you can find the menu location. So now we need to click Create a Menu and add the name. So let's name it Demo Test 2. We are going to skip this because I will mention this later, and now we need to click Create Menu. At this point, your menu exists, but it still won't show on your site yet. A menu won't appear until it has items and it's placed somewhere visible. So let's add those items first. Here on the left side, you can add pages like home, about me, contact, and others. Let's add few. Let's add contact me, about me, and maybe terms and conditions, and click to add to menu. You can drag and drop to change the order if you would like this. And also if you want to add a sub items, what you do is just drag and move it to the right like this. So now that you have the sub item under this main tab. If you don't see a page here, make sure it's published. Draft pages won't appear in menus. And if you want to add posts, you can locate them under this drop-down categories as well. And for external links, if you want to add like social media links or something else, it is located right here. You can also add it to your menu. Now scroll down to the menu settings. This is one of the most important steps. Under display location, WordPress asks where this menu should appear. So usually it's primary menu, header menu, or footer menu. And if you already have a menu assigned to a location, WordPress will replace it. So for example, if you already have their existing menu assigned to the footer, and if you select the checkbox now for this menu, it will be replaced with this new menu. So since I already have the main menu in my header, I don't want to mess up my live site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign this new menu to the footer instead and save. And the setup is exactly the same. The only difference is the location. If your theme has a mobile menu option here as well, make sure it's selected prior to clicking on a save button. Now, if you assigned the menu to the footer and it still doesn't appear, this is a step most people miss. Many themes don't automatically display footer menus. Instead, they require you to add the menu manually using widgets. To do that, let's go to Appearance, Widgets right here. And now we need to locate the widget for the footer. It's right here. And here we need to change the navigation menu to the new one. So first, let me show you how my footer looks right now. Let's refresh. Before you see any change, try to make hard refresh because sometimes because of the cache, they won't appear right away. So this is how my menu looks right now. And now if we assign it to the new menu that just created, save, and go back here, refresh. And we should see the new menu here. See? Super easy. And that's how you build a menu in WordPress. You know now how to create it, assign it safely, and fix the most common reasons footer menus don't appear. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.